What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video and thank you for being here. We're taking a payout today from MyFundedFutures, and here is my account right here. It shows 400 to 91. It actually has a little bit more than that, and because I trade the Asian session after my work, so I don't need to actually quit my 9-to-5 job. As you can see here, this is my session, the Asian session here, and I trade the volume profile based on the New York session. And pretty much today was a really good trading session. I knew where the direction of the market was going. We were hitting up, but honestly it was really tough. Currently my account is sitting at $4,723 after today making $434. And today, guys, I'm not gonna lie to you, today was tough. I made a lot of mistakes that I didn't really want to do. I kept shorting and buying and didn't pay attention to where the market was heading, but I knew overall we were going up, and sometimes I did not pay attention to that. And one other mistake that I know a bunch of you also suffer from, a lot of times when I jump in a trade, and let's say for example I jump in here, buy, for example, let's say for example, and my stop loss is like $2, or I mean 2 points or 2.5 points. Sometimes I tend to be greedy, and for the next trade, instead of my take profit being let's say for example 5 points, I try to take the next trade with 5 points plus what I lost, which is adding to be 7.5 if I lost 2.5 in the first trade, which is really something that bothers me a lot. But I mean, at the same time, I want to make my money back. So I've been struggling with this problem, and I'm not sure if you guys have been doing the same with the current market condition, to be honest. So if you guys do specific things that helps you to get over this thing, just please let me know down in the comments below. And yeah, here's my trading account, so it's not really updated, and here's a refresh for you guys just so you know this is my account. And this is the profit in it right now. It's more than that because it's not taking into account the profits that I just made from this session. I've traded this account about 7 days now. All of days are green, thankfully. As I said, I tend to take a couple extra trades than I like, just because I take a trade in the direction that I want whenever I open the chart, and then the second trade, and maybe that first trade stops me at break even, and then I reverse my direction and I end up going back and forth. And for those of you guys that will say, oh, you should know what you're trading and your trading volume profile, so you should be knowing where the direction is going. And yes, that is true, but at the same time it's not, because if you're taking trades based on volume profile, yes, it works amazingly and it will give you profits. But like, for example, I'll give you a quick example. So this right here is a trade setup, okay, after the market open right here, based on the previous session volume profile. And as you can see, this node here, this is a pocket of node. We call it a node or area of large amount of orders. And as you can see, this area of amount of orders, they do provide support and it works perfectly fine. But the problem with this is, or it's just me, guys, that's the strategy that I follow, and my take profit and my stop loss. So your stop loss would be below this area of a lot of orders, and your take profit should be the value area high right here. And as you can see, this is pretty much is 1-to-1. You could have extended your take profit or do whatever as you please, but I like to take at least 5 points for my take profit for the day, sometimes 6, sometimes 7, sometimes 8. So these trades, these strategy or this way of taking the trades and profits doesn't really suit my model and my strategy and my satisfaction. I like to trade with the market direction and see where the market is going and take my profits with that bigger move. Sometimes that can be 6 points, sometimes it can be 8 points. And if you guys don't know, trading gold, 1 point equal $100 on the GC1. So that's the mini contracts of gold. And this is where I like to trade gold. I like to trade gold on the mini contracts, and as you can see, gold on during the Asian session, like this is 35 points, and 35 points equal to $350 movement on NASDAQ, or 350 points on NASDAQ. So gold is really volatile. It moves a lot during the Asian session if you take a trade with the market direction or the trend. So back to my trading account here. This is why I have a lot of trades, more than I really like to have. So 8, 4, 8, 3 trades, 4 trades. My largest amount of trade, the profit was $1,800. My worst trade was negative $515. My average wins, as I said, at around $400, $500, and it goes all the way up to $1,000 or so based on if I lost the trade before that or not, and stuff like that, or how many trades I lost before I took the winning trade. My profit factor, as you can see, 2.5. My average loss is negative $300, and my win rate is 65%. How many contracts I've traded? 23. I only trade one contract, one mini contract, even though a lot of other prop firms allow you to trade more contracts. I only need one. Whether it's a loss or a win, I only trade one mini contract. I don't want to over leverage. I don't want to put myself in this position again, because I have been making that mistakes before, and right now I'm trying to improve and avoid making this mistake in the future. And as you can see, here are the trades that I've took with the dates, with the short or long, how many, or the trade duration. Some of them are fast enough, and some of them are fast losers. And this one obviously was a break-even trade. Same thing with that one. The small profits are usually a break-even trade. So that is what my account looks like, guys. These are all green, thankfully, and thank God. I've completed 5 winning days that were required. My minimum withdrawal is $250. I'm gonna go ahead and take my max withdrawal from this account, and I know my max daily loss is gonna lock up at $2,100. So pretty much $2,100 is my zero level. And after I take $1,500 from my current profit, so currently I have $4,700 minus $1,500, it's gonna leave me with $3,200, with $2,100 being my zero level. So I pretty much have this leverage or profits in my account to trade with until I blow this account. So hopefully I don't do that, and we're gonna go ahead and get a payout right now. As you can see, my account is currently eligible to get a payout from, so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do. Okay, so it says that your side balance is 4,291, does not match the actual account. account balance, which is 4,723. Please wait until your balance updates on the site to match. I mean, I can wait until tomorrow, but okay, so it also gives you guys an 80% of profit share, which will be $1,200. It doesn't. It wants, just because the balance does not match what the site shows at the moment, it's not letting me request a payout, which is a bit frustrating. I wanted to show you guys me requesting a payout because it's really cool to, after all these trading days and making the profit and all of that and going through a lot of trouble and sometimes over trading, but still managing to get the account on green and making back all the losses. I really wanted to share this cool moment with you guys. So I guess I'm gonna wait and until the next day until my balance updates, and I will still include this portion of me taking the payout in this video so you can guys see how it looks like, and you can hopefully congratulate me or say something nice in the chat for me. I would really appreciate it, guys, and I'll keep you updated on how I do with this account later down the road. So I will see you in the next day. What's up, guys? So we're back here again on the funded account, and as you can see here, everything kind of got updated. This is now the next day, right before the market close of the day. As you can see, yesterday was a really tough one, 25 trades. It's something that I'm not really proud of, but I am lucky to make it all back. And today I'm gonna go ahead and request $1,500 to secure my money and my profits, and that would leave me with about $1,900 to $2,000 of trading capital to trade with, and I'm really happy with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and request this. As you can see here, I just submitted the payout request. I will get an email here in a couple seconds telling me that I've submitted my payout. They will send me a payout through Rise, and if you don't know, guys, Rise is basically like a PayPal. It's a payment method that goes through there, and from there I can connect to my bank account and do a bank transfer. It's pretty easy and pretty straightforward. If you haven't done that before, it's pretty easy if you haven't done it before, but this is only for just the first time whenever you're setting up Rise. But if you already set up Rise before and you've received the payout on it before, it would be very straightforward. It would be easy. Whenever you're receiving the second or third payout through Rise, the money goes to your account, and from there you can transfer it to your bank account, which is pretty simple. Right now, everything seems pretty fine. I'm really happy with the profit that I made, with also locking down some profits so I don't blow any of my account, and hopefully this account can live another day to serve me another payout request, which would be great. I'm of course going to still proceed with caution, trade with caution, because the market is doing really terribly and really choppy, and as we all know, it's pretty nasty price action lately. I'm sitting up right here for my next trading session that will start soon here. Not really soon. So I do my 9:30 through 4 p.m. EST, and these are my volume profile setup for the upcoming Asian session that will just open at around in 30 minutes or so from now. I don't really care. I believe it is already open. Yeah, it's already opened. It opens at 6 p.m. So as you can see, it opened here, and this is where we are right now. I don't really care. I start trading from 7 p.m. EST, start looking in the market, see where we are, see where we're going, see where we reacting from on the volume profile, and so on and so forth. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to share with you my payout request. And if you do have any questions about any of the payout requests, let me know down in the comments below. This was a scale plan that I have, a 50K scale plan, and this is my payout from this account. That's why my max payout request was $1,500. Let me know if you have any questions about the payout requests or payout policies from MyFundedFutures, and please don't forget to use my coupon code to get yourself an account from Alpha Future, MyFundedFuture, Tradeify, or Take Profit Trader. All of those four companies are an amazing prop firm company. Please use my coupon code or the link down in the description below to get you always the biggest and largest discount that is currently available. And as always, I keep updating you with any changes with these prop firms, and always review the latest and greatest account plans that these prop firms offer to give you the best deal for your buck, to help you choose the best accounts for you whenever you're paying these amount of money. And currently, I suggest you guys to purchase Alpha Futures accounts, and there is a specific account that I have been falling in love recently, which is the Zero Plan Alpha Futures account. It is zero activation fees, and it also allows you to trade on the Project X platform, which is something that I really love compared to trading on Tradeify or TradingView. Project X has been my best trading platform that I love to trade on, and Alpha Futures provide very cheap accounts. The zero account plan right now, it costs you about $74. With the current promotion, they're running 25% off, and you can always get that discount using my coupon code Kemo, or the link down in the description below. And MyFundedFutures is always running some promotions. So if you are in general getting anything from any of those four prop firms and companies, please go ahead and support me while you're already purchasing these accounts, and use my coupon code or the link down in the description below. Thank you all so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace.